Hi, everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I gonna show you how to public Synology Drive access anywhere without no port forwarding or no public IP address. And we will walk through 3 steps below. 1. Create Cloudflare Tunnel. We requires to have the Cloudflare account to be able to create the Cloudflare Tunnel. The second, we will install the Cloudflare connector on Docker. Third, public Synology application for access everywhere. The diagram below are the flow of Cloudflare connector established connection with Cloudflare Edge and reverse request to Synology Drive from the client access. The private network is our internal network that we allocate a Synology Drive there. And the Docker container for install the Cloudflare connector that it will establish the connection to Cloudflare Edge. Cloudflare Edge is the public cloud platform that represent for a receiver that received the request from client and queue those requests for connector come to pick up. Client will access to this URL and it will be route the traffic to Cloudflare Edge. Okay, so let's back to our configuration. Here is my Cloudflare account and to ensure that you already had the domain register. Okay, so to configure, move down and click on Zero Trust. And navigate the networks and click Connectors. Click Create Tunnel and select Cloudflare. Enter the tunnel name. Then save tunnel. And choose the environment you want to install connector. So for me, install on Docker. I select Docker and copy this command to run on my dock. Let's switch to my container. Pass the command over here and enter to run the Cloudflare connector. Then just wait few minutes to download Cloudflare connector's image and run the services. Okay, once done, switch back to Cloudflare portal. Perfect, the tunnel status healthy now. Let's add the application to public access. Just click on New Tunnel the edit. Click Public Application Routes. Add application. Enter the subdomain. I put Drive. Select my domain and service type, HTTPS. URL is our internal IP or domain for internal access. That's the link for internal access. Okay, putting here. Save. Now we have done create the application route. Let's move to Synology and update the configuration. Open Control Panel. And open Login Portal. Double-click on Application tab. I update port to 80 for 43. Save. It doesn't secure because the service is current come with default certificate. Okay, let replace to with the correct certificate. Open security in certificate, then click setting. Okay, choose the correct one. Apply to restart service. So, we have completed the update on Synology. Let's move to the test access the application. I copy and open new browser to testing. We can access it now. And the connection already good become secure. Let's me testing login. Okay, so all looks good to access anywhere through Cloudflare Tunnel. Let's me inspect to see the Cloudflare's IP. Yes, here's the Cloudflare's IP and there will be change sometimes. Okay, so that's all for me today. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And see you in the next video.